What's going on, y'all? SES and me. Man, we got Unc'S Chevelle here. Man, parts after parts after parts after parts. It's all been waiting in here. Part. This, that. I'm coming back here to see if the boat hold the seats here. We'll see. I'm about to knock the back deck out, the back of the headliner, and then the rear speakers, 6.5 in the tweeter back there. All the speakers ran. Yeah, y'all about to see here in a second. It's a lot of little stuff that was missing with this car. I'm still waiting on, but I'm at a point to where I could work around some stuff, so that's cool, I guess. Yeah. It's one of them headliner clip pieces. I gotta trim this. Y'all see how it's wrinkled? I gotta trim it a little bit so I can be able to pull as much as I can when I glue this down. Alright guys, here we go again. We're missing the sail panel, so head over there. But I'm gonna just keep going with what I got. Y'all, the back deck done, about to get wrapped up. Y'all hear these kids, you see them running around and playing. I got to vacuum in the trunk. I think we doing that in the trunk. I'm about to call him real quick. Call Unc real quick. Is this a spare tire mount or something? I can build over that because the slug box don't go that far. Alright. Boom, boom. And then these are speakers for the console. And this what he did for the back deck. So I'm finna cut some of that stuff out because I don't need it. I do stuff differently than a lot of people. So doing it how I do it. Try to pay for some help. And then you end up doing it over, so money wasted. I'll run this stuff how I run it. Route it how I route it. All right, so got all of it. No, not all of it. Most of it loose. vacuum all this out. Ran into an issue with this battery right here. It's not like the factory shape. It go like that, like the one under the hood. It's not like this one, where it's small and round. So, gotta figure that out. I also had to pick between the two, right? I'm like, do I want to run these wires? It's just something I just have to figure out myself. Like, I'm trying to hide the battery. Well, I'm taking the battery out from the front, so I'm trying to see how I want to run my power. But I kind of figured it out, but I ain't gonna tell y'all. I don't want nobody stealing my trick. Y'all, closing y'all out, man. I thought I'd have a sound video for y'all, but nah, it ain't even happening, man. Rear deck came out smacking though. Smacking. When you usually do these Chevelle rear decks, take the whole back window out and then you wrap this piece to match the material, but it's black, so kind of could get away with paint. But if you have some other color, kind of just gotta take the window out, wrap it, put the window back in. Same thing. It make putting the headliner up easier too. But I was able to get it. I kind of just left it because I'm missing the sail panels, like I told y'all, and the dome light. I don't want to have no issues going backwards, so I rather just stop where I'm at before I have to go backwards. So, yep. And then this corner piece is missing. I ordered it, waiting on it, and we're back at another standstill almost. Like, I started doing the wiring for the system again, but that's easy stuff. So once I get the headliner, the back area closed in, and the music, I think I'm gonna just knock the trunk out, because that'll be one day. The trunk will be one day. I can do the trunk, the music, and the wiring for the music in one day, like I did that box Chevy. And then I'm gonna work on, I put the back seats in too, up and lower. Then I'm gonna work on all this wiring. Yep, that's what I'm gonna work on. Yeah, electric fans, the gauges, I work on all of that. All of it. And then these lower panels gotta be wrapped. So I'm gonna knock that out too. So the material I got, I don't know if it's an exact match, but the good thing about it is the seat cover up most of that. So if it ain't no exact match, it'll be close, real close. Yep. But man, I'm tired. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm tired. So tomorrow I'm finna knock out that Broham. I ain't got much left. The lower dash gotta get painted on that. So I had to order the paint and then wait for them to call me. They ain't called me today because I was gonna try to knock that out today, but I just worked on the Chevelle for a little bit. But I'm about to knock out this, the primer Broham, and the other Broham before Sunday. Yep, that's what I'm trying to do. So I was working on Chevelle. I was like, I just woke up. This had to go, man. I just woke up and I was like, man, I should try to close the Chevelle out. Like, challenge myself. So that's what happened when I woke up, man. I was like, yeah, let's try to do that. And yeah, found out we're missing more parts. So gotta Do what you can with what you got. Big learning curve though. Learning curve. Big learning curve. Big learning curve. But yeah, I'm finna mop my floor again. Get all these cars back inside. Turn my alarm and everything on, and then edit this video tonight so I can have it out to y'all. Then tomorrow, change my oil on my truck. Then like I said, I'll go pick up the paint for that Broham and knock that out. That'll be a car gone. Another car gone. I got a car coming in Friday, Saturday. Another car gone. Knocking them out, man, one day at a time, man. Y'all stay tuned though. STS, I'm out. Man, this is just pretty ironic, man. The Dome Light kit came while I was working. It's pretty weird. I definitely find that pretty messed up. But on the next day when I go full day on it, the whole top of the car be done, the back of the car be closed in, carpet be in, sounds will be in, more than likely. We'll be able to hear it. But y'all stay tuned. Let me put this in my stuff so I need to go to work tomorrow. Yes, man, I'm out for real this time.